Hello, friends. There were 7 obstacles in my story. Yes, up till now. First, due to my rare eye disease, I was an outcast in my school days. Outdoor sports? No, Amit, not for you. So I shifted my interests to books, drama, debate, became a topper in these. But in the process, I learned the biggest lesson of my life. That is, obstacles can be turned into opportunities. During my higher secondary, I drifted from science to commerce, could not manage instruments like vernier calipers because of my rare eye disease nystagmus. Hence, management and commerce was the way. That was the second obstacle in my story. My ophthalmologist advised me to stop studying after higher secondary. So I shifted, or rather drifted, from commerce to economics by correspondence. But ultimately, I ended up with a PhD in 2010. This was the third obstacle. The fourth obstacle was fear of losing eyesight. Went for Ayurveda treatment. Eventually, my eyesight improved by 40% and enrolled for an MBA. Shifted to a desk job as executive assistant to general manager as I was facing problems in driving at night and had quit my marketing job. This was obstacle number 5. I was very keen to take up teaching as a profession. It's my passion too, but failed to open the doors even as visiting faculty. Again, obstacle was showing me the path. Shifted my base to Pondicherry, got an opportunity at Pondicherry University and grabbed it with both hands. This was the 6th obstacle. Now, here I am. I have been an author, speaker, and coach for more than 10 years. But I'll tell you, it was not a smooth journey. Initially, I failed miserably to get my coaching clients. And that was the 7th obstacle of my story. There is a Japanese saying, fall 7 times, but stand up 8. And so, I customized my personal branding training technique and slowly started reaping the benefits as a branding coach, storyteller, and above all, a successful writer. And now we have created a unique ecosystem by founding Bloggers Alliance, where we are bringing together all creative enthusiasts from different walks of life, where they can pour out their creativity, learning, and seeking spirit to inspire youth through a platform and invoke them to write, blog, podcast, vlog to the entire world. And as co-founder and president of Bloggers Alliance, that is my payback to society. Just few weeks back, Bloggers Alliance has become the knowledge partner of Reliance Jio in a pioneering initiative in social learning. I am sure you must be wondering, how come I have come across such a distance in spite of such severe obstacles, and I am stretching my arms to pay back to society. My biggest power was my perseverance, my self-motivation, and a quest for life. Nowadays, I am searching for something deeper. The relationship between physics and meditation, how some frequencies of waves can attract better intuition, miracles, and so many other things. How we can invite serendipity in our lives by tuning our brain waves to a certain frequency. What more could a man ask for? Mate ne. See you, friends.